Hello, it's me again, Mrs. Hill. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and here is your packet for the day. Morning work, morning work. This one is, how many sides does an octagon have? Think of octopus when you think of an octagon. How many sides does that have? How many arms does an octopus have? And also, when you're doing the sentences, the story problems, think about what you know and what you need to find out. So there were 13 rabbits in the backyard, 7 ran away. This one gives you a little hint that you're going to subtract down here, but also how many were left. So what do you know? You know that there were 13 to start with, and you know that 7 ran away, and you need to find out how many are left in the backyard. So you know you're going to subtract. You could throw a number bond in there. Show your parents if you remember how to do that. Put a number bond on there. All right, your phonics for today, we're looking at S blends like Stan. Highlight or circle any words that have the S, like slug, Stan, slip. And read that. Your sight word for the day is give. Do your super sight word worksheet. And a quick comprehension check. So read this short passage and answer these questions down here. There's 2 sheets on identifying complete sentences. This first one, you are going to read each group of words and you're going to color code to color the present. So if it's a complete sentence, you're going to color it blue. If it's an incomplete sentence, color it orange. So look at these, read these, and say that's not a full sentence. It doesn't have everything it needs. You're going to color it orange. But if it's got everything, color it blue. Now you're going to come down here, and you don't have to do all of these, but I'd like you to pick 2, and you can break that up however you need to. Find 4 sentences that are not complete and rewrite them to make them complete. And like I said, you don't have to do all 4 of these. Just pick 2 of them. And here's another complete sentences, simple sentences practice on sentences. So read each sentence and draw a picture to match. All you have to do is just read the short sentences and draw a picture to go with them. For your math today, you're going to do your number bonds. So this is part, whole. Your whole is over here. You're finding the missing part. What do you do when you find the missing part? You start with your whole, you subtract the part that you know, and then you find the part that you don't know. So you're finding that missing part on this one. And a little more fraction practice. We're going to look at equal shares. Write yes or no if the shares are equal, and how many. Pretend like this is a cracker. Is this broken into equal pieces? Write yes or no. If it's yes, how many? If it's not, you just need to write no. It is not equal parts. It does not have equal shares. And then practicing a little more fractions, 1/4. 1/4, you're going to color 1 out of 4. So you're only going to color, here's 1 out of 4 equal parts is 1/4 or 1/4. So you're going to color 1/4 of each group down here. So how much is 1 out of this group? This is another group, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4 on here. Let me know if you have any questions or call Miss Gorham or Mrs. Woodward. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.